The wHT4 is a beautifully designed touchscreen thermostat that is exclusive to Heatwell. The wHT4 is our Wi-Fi thermostat. The operation and setup of the wHT4 can be done from an app on your smartphone. The wHT4 uses the Tuya Smart App. The Tuya Smart App is available at both the Apple App Store and Google Play and is currently free. Please install the Tuya Smart App and set up a Tuya account if you have not done so. The Tuya Smart App is the only app that can run the wHT4. The wHT4 needs a decent Wi-Fi signal. Your smartphone will need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi at the time of setup. Connecting the wHT4 and the Tuya Smart App is a Bluetooth style connection. To connect the wHT4 with the app, the Tuya app must be open. Press the plus button at the top of the screen and select Add Device. The app will scan for a new connection signal. At the same time, the wHT4 must be looking for a Bluetooth connection. You will need to hold your finger on the power button until this screen is shown. The HT4 will come up on your app. Programming and setup can be done on both the Tuya Smart App and the wHT4. Programming is the same as the HT4. We recommend you watch the HT4 videos to familiarize yourself with the thermostat.